Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Excuse me,
Yes, please.
what is your legal name?
My legal name is Mr Khalid.
Oh, Mr. Khalid Rahman. By what name should I call you?
You should call me by Khalid.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Oh, you are a teacher. What subject usually do you teach?
I teach especially the English subject.
Oh, what English subject has divided two parts. First paper, second paper.
Both of first and both
I
of
mean textual plus grammatical, right? Literature also.
I teach both of the subject, first paper and second paper.
Okay. Do you feel happy teaching this subject?
Sure.
But why and how?
I feel teaching this subject because English is pretty important language in this world. Nowadays, in this globalization, without English, it's quite impossible to be a successful man. For this
Yeah.
reason, I think I'm very happy being involved in the teaching profession, especially as an English teacher, I think.
Oh, good. You are holding the noble profession.
Yeah.
So I highly appreciate you. Next question for you. You are living in country Bangladesh, right?
Yeah.
What's the official name of your country?
The official name of Bangladesh is the People's Republic of Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the last question for you. What do you do in your leisure interest?
In my leisure time, I especially listen music, watch movie, and sometimes I read storybooks or recite poems, etc.
You mentioned you listen music. What types of music do you listen initially?
I am fond of modern sound, especially.
One of songs.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now next, please introduce yourself.
Thanks for asking. I'm Mr Khalid Rahman, an assistant teacher of Jugnimura High School, Sherpur. I live at Jugnimura, Sherpur. I'm a married person. We are four in our family.
Yeah.
I, my wife, and we have two children. My eldest children, he is a student of Qawmi Madrasa. I think he is 14 years old, and the younger son, he is only 18 months old. Um, my wife is also a high school teacher. He is living in Kalihati, Tangal. I'm living in Sherpur. Though we're different from each other, but I think we're a happy family.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining our studio. Okay. Hope to see you next time. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Yes.